Hello, Half Full Monty here in Perlita, the 2019 Spirit Deluxe Casita. That was my voltage. I'm plugged into shore power. And anyway, I've got a question for all the Casita people or any other people that have small fiberglass trailers. Similar to the Casita Spirit Deluxe. And what I'm asking is, this is a 2019, and it's getting closer to 2024, and I am anticipating, I have a little slide out battery deal. I think they actually, it's an option for Casitas now. But anyway, this is what it comes with. A 36-month AGM, 100 amp hour, 925 CCA 1155 at 100 amp hours. 36-month free replacement AGM pure power battery. Okay, so we're past 36 months. It's been working great, but I know that at some point I'm really impressed that it's made it this long. Most of the time you buy a battery, it says 36 months. Well, you're lucky to get that, but I've been quite pleased with it so far. Anyway, my question is to all you guys out there, if you've had a Casita, and I believe this is a 31, top 31 battery. If you replaced yours, what do you replace it with? This battery that's in it, I've seen it go over like almost 300 bucks, sometimes more. And I was thinking about going to a heated lithium battery where I could throw that in there. Understand that the system that's in here will not charge it, but about 80% of capacity, which the way I understand it is it'll just give me longer time. Plus, with a AGM battery like this, 100 amp, 50, half of that is you can't get below that, so that's your capacity. Where with a lithium, you would get, even if it is only doing 80%, you would be getting 30% more battery, and it will last, if you believe what they say, I'm an old guy, so it'll probably last longer now with this one, so just 36 months. So if you have any ideas or what you did with yours, I'm interested to hear. Please comment, leave me a comment, and as always, please thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Half Full Monty out.